Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, bienvenidos, hajimemashite, and my name is Hillary. So today I have a very festive video planned. I want to try to make a lot of videos tying into like the Christmas theme. So that's just what I'm going to be doing today. And my idea for today is actually to kind of create like a snow globe eye look. So let's just get started. So as with most of these more artistic looks, I'm going to start off with a lip liner and kind of use it as a pencil to sketch what I'm thinking of. And I have some ideas for this. So my idea is to create like a dome shape and then kind of have like a stand or something underneath. I'm not sure if I like the stand idea yet, but we'll see how it goes. I can always change it later on if I don't like it. And also I already have most of my base done because that's not what this video is going to be focusing on. So I just want to mention that. And also stick around later for some important updates, and you might even be able to pick my next video. So stick around if you think that sounds pretty cool. One thing that I just want to mention here is it's okay if it's messy because we're going to be going over it later in the look, so just don't really worry about this part. Okay, so I really like this shape. I was at first thinking of connecting it all the way to my inner corner, but then I thought that wouldn't be really the circular shape that I wanted, so I decided to kind of cut it off right there, as you can see, and I really like that. And also, I just want to mention, if you enjoy these Christmas themed videos or want more of them, please subscribe and leave a like or a comment. It seriously means so much to me, and it would just make my entire day. So thank you so much if you enjoyed them, and let's just keep going. So now that I'm going to sketch the base, I kind of want like a trapezoid shape, if that makes sense, like a stand for this. So I'm just going to sketch that right now and see if I like it. Okay, so I actually do think I like this. Obviously you can see I made it too big on this side, but I can just cover that up with some concealer off camera. And then I'm going to get back and start working on the inside of the snow globe. So I was thinking I want to put a little snowman in the middle of the snow globe, kind of like, you know, the centerpiece of it. And I wanted, I think, a blue, like a light blue background for the eye, because I was also planning on drawing in like little dots of white snow. And if I have a white background, obviously you're not going to be able to see that. So I think I'm going to start by putting a light blue eyeshadow inside this circle. And I might as well just fill in this red down here while I'm at it. So I'm going to get started on that. So as you can see, I went with definitely more of a shimmer blue. And at first I wasn't really thinking that I wanted to do that, but then when I saw it, I was like, you know, that actually might look really cute. And I think it does. I really like it so far. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add the red underneath. So here it is so far. I think it's pretty cute. So now I think I'm gonna get started on the snowman next. And what's difficult for this eye look, I think, is gonna be getting it to look good while my eye is open and while my eye is closed. Because if my eye is closed, you know, I pretty much have the whole area of the snow globe to work with. But when it's open, that gets cut in half almost. So I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna worry more about when my eye is closed, because then, you know, that's more of the full look. So I'm just gonna get straight on that, and I'll come back to you when that's done. Okay, so it's pretty hard to see since the blue that I chose is so shimmery. It almost the white blends into it. So I think I'm gonna get a white eyeshadow and try to set this white liner down. Okay, so what I ended up doing was just going over a couple more layers with the white, and it actually looks not so bad. So what I'm gonna do now is take a black liner and kind of like outline and shadow where the separations of the, you know, snowballs are. So I'm gonna do that. Well, that looks awful. So I'm gonna go over that with the white, and I think I'm gonna try to use black eyeshadow instead of eyeliner, and I'll try that again. Okay, I'm so sorry. I got totally freaked out. I made that way harder than it had to be. What happened was my white, since I did so many layers of it, it was starting to like peel off the other layers. So it was just like blank where the white was supposed to be, and then the black didn't have anything to blend into, and it just looked like straight lines when it's meant to more look like shading. So what I ended up doing was putting white eyeshadow like to set down that eyeliner like I said I was going to, but never did. So then that the black eyeshadow had something to blend into and look more like shading and not just harsh lines. So I hope that helps if you do want to recreate this. And now I think I'm going to take my black liquid eyeliner and add some details to this. I'm not sure how well it's going to go since it is so small, and I actually kind of want to outline this, I think, to make it stand out from the blue that's behind it. But we'll see how accurate I am and how steady my hand is. And I'm sorry if this angle is going to be bad. I'm going to use my desk mirror instead of holding up it. So I'm sorry it's going to be a little awkward to watch this. But I hope that you understand what's going on. I mean, I think it's kind of cute. Obviously, it's a little, like, it kind of looks like it's fallen over, but I think that's cute. And also, I'm going to now cover up all of that blue with, oh, sorry, not blue. Gonna cover up that brown outline with this black. So I'm just gonna take this time to tell a little story because I know these time lapses can get a bit boring. But if you saw my last video, I did this candy cane eyeliner look, and it wasn't like a superior YouTube video or anything like that. But what actually happened is that Sephora commented on my Instagram post of it, and they are going to use it in their community page because I used a Sephora brand product, and I think that was really cool. You can head over to my Instagram, which is in the description, to check out the picture they commented. So yeah, that's it. So I think this is looking pretty good. Obviously the lines are maybe a little thicker than I wanted, but I'm thinking about going back and using a makeup wipe to try to make some of those thinner. And the last step that I'm gonna do is try to take my white eyeliner and put like snow, but since the blue is so light, I'm not sure how well you're gonna be able to see it, but I will try my best. So this is the final look. Obviously I'll add some mascara later, but and some other face stuff, but I'm going to do my other eye off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how they both look. I think they're pretty cute. But next I'm going to add some blush. I was thinking I want like a lot of blush because, you know, it's winter and, you know, you get cold and like you have like the pink nose and stuff. Anyway, that's just kind of what I'm thinking. And also I want to add a blue shimmer shade in my inner corners, so I'm just gonna do that right now. Okay, I think that's cute. And now I'm gonna get my blush and add that next. Now I want to kind of take like a bluish color for a highlight to kind of like match like the snow and stuff from the snow globe. So I think I'm just gonna use that same color that I put in my inner corner. Okay, I think that's cute too. And now for the lips, I was thinking a pretty long time about what I wanted to do for the lips, because you know, like a red lip would match the bottoms of the snow globes, but like a nude would like kind of tone it down. And I think I am going for more of a nude color. So one thing that I've been favoring for lips recently is to kind of take like a, so this lipstick is pretty cheap, it's LA Colors. I love the brand, but you know, not always the highest quality stuff. And when I put it on, you can see, but it gets pretty streaky and kind of like sheer in some places. So what I'd like to do is I will put this on, and then I'll take like a pretty like clearish lip gloss, or like almost clear, and I put this on top of it, and what happens is we get like a glossy lip that is the color of the original lipstick. And I think that's really cool. That's like a life hack if you guys want that, or if you like don't do that. So there you go. I'll show you how it looks like after I put this gloss on. And there you go. But now it's not streaky anymore. It's almost the exact color that the original lipstick was. And yeah, it has a nice shiny finish to it, and that's just, you know, pretty helpful if you guys ever need that. I think this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys enjoy these Christmas ones? Do you enjoy these more detailed eye looks, or do you want more like everyday looks? Please let me know. I am willing to change what I'm doing, you know, for you guys. So leave a like if you like this. It literally makes my day. And leave a comment. I read every comment, you know, just because I really like feedback on my videos. And subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!